Cats are often seen as content, self-sufficient creatures who require little in the way of maintenance beyond regular feeding and occasional companionship. For owners of domestic cats, it's not uncommon to see their feline companions chase after a toy or even an imaginary target, as if they were stalking prey in the wild. This behavior may seem puzzling, especially considering that the cat is well fed, safe, and has no apparent need to hunt for survival. However, the hunting instinct in cats is deeply ingrained, and it plays a significant role in their physical and psychological well-being, regardless of their access to food. To understand why cats maintain this instinct, it is necessary to look into their evolutionary history, natural behaviors, and the ways in which the hunting drive is shaped by both biology and environment. At the core of a cat's hunting instinct lies its evolutionary history as a predator. Domestic cats, Felis catus, are direct descendants of the African wildcat, Felis sylvestris libica, a solitary hunter that relied on its ability to hunt small prey, such as rodents, birds, and insects, for survival. Over thousands of years, domestic cats have evolved alongside humans, but they have retained much of the behavior and instincts of their wild ancestors. Even though domestic cats may no longer need to hunt to obtain food, their instincts remain strong, driving them to seek out, stalk, and sometimes pounce on anything that moves. The hunting behavior in cats is not simply about acquiring food, it's also tied to their predatory nature, which is deeply wired into their genetic makeup. Hunting is a complex behavior that involves a series of physical and cognitive skills, including stalking, chasing, pouncing, and capturing prey. These skills are essential for a cat's survival in the wild, and even in a domestic setting, the instinct to practice these behaviors remains intact. For many cats, hunting is an essential outlet for physical energy and mental stimulation. When a cat engages in play that mimics hunting, it is exercising and honing these instinctual abilities, which helps keep it mentally sharp and physically fit. Another important factor contributing to the persistence of the hunting instinct in well-fed cats is their need for mental stimulation. Cats are highly intelligent animals, and they require regular mental engagement to stay happy and healthy. When they are deprived of stimulating activities, such as hunting, they may become bored, stressed, or anxious. Even when food is readily available, a cat's natural instincts push it to engage in behaviors like stalking and pouncing to satisfy its need for mental enrichment. This is one reason why cats often enjoy playing with toys that simulate the movement of prey, such as feather wands, laser pointers, or small balls that they can bat around. These activities allow them to channel their hunting instincts in a way that is fulfilling, even if no actual prey is involved. The act of hunting also serves as a form of stress relief for cats. Just like any other predator, cats experience tension and anxiety in their environment, and hunting is a natural way to release that pent-up energy. The process of stalking and catching prey is physically demanding, and it can provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. For domestic cats, who may not face the same daily challenges as their wild counterparts, the act of hunting serves as a means of managing stress and anxiety. In fact, many behaviorists argue that a lack of hunting opportunities can lead to the development of undesirable behaviors in cats, such as aggression, over-grooming, or excessive meowing. By allowing cats to engage in play that mimics hunting, owners can help reduce these negative behaviors and promote a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Additionally, hunting is tied to the cat's instinctual need to mark territory. In the wild, a cat's territory is often defined by the presence of prey and the cat's ability to hunt within that territory. While domestic cats may not need to hunt for survival, they still have an innate drive to claim and protect their territory. Hunting can serve as a way for a cat to assert control over its environment, even if it doesn't need to acquire food from it. This territorial behavior is often seen in the way cats play with their toys, particularly when they bat, pounce, or carry them around. They may even hunt objects in the house, such as small pieces of paper or a stray sock, as a way of marking their territory and reinforcing their sense of control. Moreover, the hunting instinct in cats is often intertwined with their social dynamics. While cats are typically solitary hunters, they can also engage in cooperative hunting behavior when it comes to interacting with other cats. For instance, a mother cat will teach her kittens how to hunt by bringing them small prey and demonstrating the process. In a multi-cat household, cats may engage in shared play that mimics hunting, chasing each other around and pouncing on toys together. This type of social hunting behavior reinforces bonds between cats and can be seen as a form of social interaction and communication. In such cases, the instinct to hunt is not just about individual survival, but also about maintaining social connections within the group. Another element that drives the persistence of the hunting instinct is the prey drive, which is triggered by movement. Cats are natural stalkers, and they are hardwired to respond to the movement of small animals. This is why a cat may become fixated on a fluttering bird outside the window or an insect buzzing around the room. The movement activates their predatory instincts, and they can become deeply focused on tracking, stalking, and attempting to catch whatever is moving. This response is so ingrained in their biology that even well-fed cats will engage in these behaviors when they observe movement, whether it's a passing shadow, a rustling leaf, or a dangling string. Interestingly, even though domestic cats are well-fed and have no need to hunt for food, the act of hunting still triggers the release of certain chemicals in their brains, such as dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. This means that when a cat engages in hunting-like play, it is not just a way of passing time, it is an enjoyable and rewarding experience. The satisfaction they get from catching something, whether it's a toy or an imaginary target, is similar to the sense of accomplishment and gratification that wild cats experience after a successful hunt. In this way, hunting behavior is not purely about the acquisition of food but about fulfilling an intrinsic need for stimulation, challenge, and reward. For many domestic cats, the act of hunting also plays a role in maintaining a balanced diet. While cats do not need to hunt for food when they are regularly fed, hunting and catching prey in the wild serves to provide a varied and nutrient-rich diet. The experience of capturing and eating prey in the wild also helps to keep a cat's instincts sharp, ensuring that it remains a capable and effective hunter. In a domestic setting, however, where food is provided in a consistent manner, this aspect of hunting becomes more about play, exercise, and maintaining psychological well-being. Even though domestic cats are well-fed and no longer rely on hunting for survival, their hunting instincts remain an essential part of their biology and behavior. The drive to hunt is deeply ingrained in their evolutionary history, and it serves multiple purposes beyond simply acquiring food. Hunting allows cats to engage in mentally stimulating activities, release stress, mark their territory, and even strengthen social bonds with other cats. By understanding the importance of this instinct, cat owners can provide opportunities for their pets to engage in hunting-like play, helping them stay mentally and physically active while ensuring their emotional well-being. The persistence of the hunting instinct in domestic cats is a testament to the resilience of their evolutionary traits and the complexity of their behaviors.